Hi boys and girls, it's Mrs. Swack. I'm back again for another great writing lesson. So if you remember from yesterday, we had our writing lesson. First, I went outside to get my sunglasses, okay? And I just noticed because I'm standing here, that is the brown door that I was talking about in my lesson. Not the one on the left, the one on the right. So now you can see that brown door in my picture. Okay, good thing I'm not in that pink bathrobe. So now I told the first part of my story. First, I went outside to get my sunglasses. So now today, I'm going to turn to my page 2, and I'm going to pick up where I left off. I remember when I touched and told, I said first I went outside to get my sunglasses. Next, I went to go back inside the house, but the door was locked. So I'm going to start with a nice capital N for next. Okay. When I went back. I'm going to change that. When I went, oops. When I went to go inside my house. Next, when I went to go back inside my house, the door was locked. That is important. Okay, so now I'm going to show that brown door. Okay, here it is. I showed you a little bit of what it looks like. Okay, it's a fancy door that Mr. Swack worked hard on. It's called a 6-panel door. Okay, whoops, it's on this side. I know that. Okay, next to it, because this is the garage, here Mr. Swack has a toolbox, okay? So here's a toolbox. We have a clock in our garage above the toolbox, okay? So it would have been showing us about this time. I'm going to add that little detail, okay? It was 8:30 in the morning. That's why I was in my bathrobe. Okay, that's important. All right. The stairs are over here. I'm actually on the stairs in front of this. So I'm just going to draw myself over here. Okay, here I am. Pink bathrobe. All I was thinking about were my sunglasses. Okay, here's my hair. Okay, and I might even give myself this face, this nice brown circle, like, oh my goodness, the door is locked. What am I going to do now? Right? Because that's kind of how I was feeling. And also, I'm going to make sure I give myself bare feet, because that was part of the problem. I was also in my bare feet when this happened. All right, I'm going to stop right there, and writers, give you a chance to write your next page. What happened next in your story of your small moment? And if you're writing about something like football or baseball or a bike ride, something you do, your next might sound like this. Your next might be something like when I'm playing football. So it might say, next, I throw the ball. Right? Because some of you are writing about football or hockey. So it might not be a story. It might be the other thing that you do. Okay, writers. See you next time.